Apit ah. Okay, beginners production. Nagkan kita beginners. We have 14 riders of beginners or 15 riders of beginners. From Team Mabinay, that is Real Oreo. From Team Mabinay, followed by Picho Nadila. Followed by Jacob Kirol. Followed by Charles Mabanag. From Team Mabinay, Negros, followed by Picho Nadila. Ayun. Followed by Jacob Kirol. Followed by Charles Mabana. Followed by Riven Pipito. Oh, naunsa naman si Riven. And also followed by from Mabinay also. And also Pires. Lo. And also Ken Jan Lara. Ayan, kinuha na ni ayun. Hoy, inside mga kaigsunan. Ah! Wow! Apit. Pinagbakay Picho Nadila. Picho Nadila. No! Bar to bar, Mabinay ang Cebu. No! Mabinay ang Cebu mga kaigsunan. Tara, inside Picho Nadila. Kinuha sa inside. Kinuha si okay, from Mabinay. Race number 4 from Mabinay. Ay! Apit! Apit ah! Apit may go si Picho. Ay! Picho, kinuha ni Picho. Ayan! Ayun mga kaigsunan, Real Oreo from Team Mabinay. Riding from Mabinay. Followed by from Cebu. Ayan, bar to bar. Real Oreo from Mabinay Negros. Followed by Picho Nadila. Side by side, Mabinay. Rider from Mabinay. Ayun. Ayan, Picho Nadila. Ay! Overjump. Picho Nadila. Yes, 5 lang.